Hello, this is the breakdown of the foot exercise to mobilize your pinky toe. So let's start. I'm going to take you over here to my feet from an aerial view over here. So here are the feet, all 10 pointing forward. Lift up all 10. Stretch the big toes forward. Let them land gently on the floor. And then take these pinky toes, stretch them out and touch them to the floor. Leave the middle 3 up. This is where it gets pretty hilarious at first. But my toes didn't start off like this either. The big toes up, all 10 up. Big toes stretch forward and touch. Pinky toes reach out and touch. Now the reason this is so useful is that a lot of times this pinky toe side of the foot isn't very mobile. Sometimes that pinky toe doesn't move at all. But when we start to mobilize that side of the foot, we can avoid some knee injuries, knee pain, and we can also really strengthen that lower leg. I'm going to flip you guys back so that when it comes time to do your walking, hiking, running, you have the best stability because both sides of your feet are working and it allows you to push off. It allows more push off. And what I've noticed so far is that with a combination of all these things, the times in running are starting to really improve of the folks that I'm working with who do these kinds of things. So also when you're mobilizing this side of the foot, you know, there's something that happens in the knee where, you know, your knee joint might be having a lot of compression and pressure on the inside. Those ligaments are pretty tender, and if they're injured, they're not easily recovered from. But because the energy and the blood supply is on the outside line of the knee, if you injure the outside line of your knee, it's much easier to recover. But also, if you have that energy on both sides, it's going to be so much more stable for the knee joint and you won't have collapse into those medial ligaments. So you kind of want to use a little bit of pressure here, which leads me to my next video. So stay tuned in and I'll see you in that.